Alright, so this is what I'm doing right now. This is my issue. If you have an issue, if you're using a smart mic and you're getting some weird frequencies, weird buzzing sounds going on, I'm going to show you how you can fix that in literally like 2 seconds on how to do it, because my issue is that when I plug this in and it pops and buzzes, it makes all kinds of weird unwanted noise and I can't change that, and I'll show you how you can change that. Alright, audio on the phone. And there we go, audio from the mic. That buzzing and that tapping, I am not able to get away. I've done it outside next to nothing, with everything off next to a tree, and it still does it. So I'll show you how to fix all of that right now. Alright, here we go, screen recording. Then we're going to plug in the mic. And there we go. You got it. The tapping that randomly is there. And I'll show you. There we go. If you go over here and activate airplane mode, it goes away. You can. I went in and I tried Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and even some of my other settings. I literally tried to turn everything off on my phone and nothing was working. But put it in airplane mode and the mic works perfectly fine. So if we go back, we're going to take it out of airplane mode. And you got all that static and the interference coming back. It's in and out. Sometimes it looks great, sometimes it's there 24/7. But I'll show you right here again. Put it in airplane mode. We got no interference. So this is my solution to it. Hopefully it helps. And it took me a while to get this figured out. I wanted to go out and record a video, but I ended up messing with this for 2 hours and I was going to throw the mic away. So hope this helps. If it does, cool. Check out my stuff, and then I will see you guys later.